Hello, and welcome to this course on LinkedIn marketing. In this course, we're going to cover how to increase your reach with organic LinkedIn marketing. This course is divided into 3 modules. Module 1 is a brief overview of LinkedIn. Module 2 covers setting up and using a LinkedIn business account. And Module 3 covers leveraging personal profiles and groups. By the time this course is over, you'll know how to effectively use LinkedIn for your business. So, without further ado, let's dive into the first module.